And?
If you move it slowly enough. Oh my god.
This is a terrible, terrible idea. I told you.
Now you can actually work on it. And it always falls on you.
It always falls on me. Why doesn't it fall on Cheryl?
No. When I punched it, it didn't fall on you.
It didn't.
So yeah, I'm just getting used to it every 10 seconds here.
Then again, you were on the other side of the room, so yeah, that doesn't really count.
I'm Aryan, and I'm working on intake. And so the biggest problem we face with intake is fitting the whole system of the robot within the 18 by 18 inch restrictions. But recently we've been able to get a design that fits, but now we've been faced with the problem of actually getting the block up into the collection area. So right now the design we have looks something like this. So we've got one wall guard going up like this with a 135 degree gusset here, which has another bar attached to it. Yeah, so this, which has another bar attached to it, which has got the motor mounted to it this way. Motor is up in here, and the wheel is like that. So that this would be, yeah.
Wait, so what wheel? Wheel of the robot, wheel of
The
the...
intake wheel.
So...
The green rubber.
So that's from... What view is that? Like side view, top view?
So this is like side view. The rest of the robot is like this way. So this would be, these would be the wheels.
Right.
Yeah.
So how does the robot intake blocks? How does that work?
So blocks are. Oh, actually, I realized I've drawn this thing back. So just fix that.
Yeah, okay, so can you show what that error says? Yeah, so there's just this one error.
Which is the reading matter? Hold on, let me just make sure I'm looking at this right.
Dude, it's fine. It's literally just for a YouTube video. Like we're good.
Okay, yeah. So, all right.
Okay, yeah, it works now. The error is going away.
Doesn't have to be perfect.
Yeah. Okay. So the wheels are gonna be like this, and so as the block comes in, the wheels are gonna they're gonna be spinning this way. So I'm gonna pull it in up a ramp onto the platform where the block will rest, which is where it will be picked up by the claw and raised up.
I think we had an acronym for that, like BAPS or something.
I think so. Yeah, I forgot the individual parts of it, but that's the. So.
So would you say like the? So yeah, how close would you say we are to finishing the thing?
So right now, the main problem is that like within the 18 by 18 inch requirements, we would need our ramp to be about like this steep, which is very which would make it very difficult for a block like that's here to go up, especially when the wheels pull it. So we're trying to set the wheels at a different angle, and so that we can, they can pull them in more like this, this, and we would send the ramp more this way, which seems more attainable instead of like that. So,
All right.
yeah.
Cool. Thanks for taking your time to explain stuff on a whiteboard.
Yeah.
You can go now.
Okay, I will.
All right. Good luck on the intake.